Welcome back, guys, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this cool pixel sort shake effect. Once I import my clip and cut it down, I'm going to right click, go on new, add our adjustment layer, head right here to the end of our clip, cut it down. I'm going to bring in S_shake. I'm going to head towards the beginning of our adjustment layer, put the amplitude at 4. I'm going to click on our time watch. I'm going to open up our timeline, head towards the middle of our clip, so about maybe right there, put it on 0. I'm going to click on motion blur, enable it. I'm going to highlight our 2 keyframes, ease them. Next, I'm going to add is S_pixel sort. I'm going to put the sort angle on 90, so about right there. Oh yeah, 90 is pretty good. So I'm going to head towards the start, about right here, right before the impact of our shake stops. That once it starts dying down, I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to put the threshold to 1.15. Click on our time watch, open up our timeline, head towards the end of our clip, and put it at 0.08. You see how it looks. So I think maybe just pushing our pixel sort layer maybe a bit more forward. I think also increasing our amplitude a bit just so it shakes more. Yeah, and then I'm gonna highlight these 2 keyframes, gonna ease them, and the next I'm gonna add is S_glow. I'm gonna put the threshold on 0.2. I'm actually gonna increase it a bit more, just about right there. Once after adding S_glow, I'm gonna bring in radial blur, and before I hop into the final effect, not the final effect, the final settings for this effect, I just want to say to those who stuck it to this point of the video, I recommend subscribing, liking, or just leaving a comment since I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. So I'm gonna add on type zoom, quality on high, and I'm gonna bring it down to 0. Click on our amount time watch right here, and I'm gonna put it about right there. I'm gonna increase our radial blur maybe to 25. Highlight our 2 keyframes, and yeah, that is all the effects you'll need to make a pixel sort shake effect. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and this is your final product.